Okay guys, so we're back again with another module. So now in this module we're going to discuss how to build up your tracks now, because at the moment we got like a little bit of a sort of an introduction together. Now there's many ways of writing your tracks. You can write it piece by piece, but let's just try and get a kind of a creative sheet together, and then we could think about arranging it later in this instance. So what I'm going to do now is I'm now going to, because I've got the percussion on this track using the emulator, right? The Artorias emulator. And then I'm going to now duplicate that track. And if you notice, it builds another VST instrument here. So you look here, this is the next VST instrument. If I click here, you can see I've got two VST emulators on, right? So this now gives me another one, and this is just a quick way of doing it. And I'm just going to get rid of this now, just you know, highlight it like that, and then just delete. Yeah. Now I can then go into the second emulator now, and I can change the sound. Now, as if you notice here, when I play the sound, press a key on my keyboard, you notice that this lights up blue. That's to tell you which one, obviously, the emulator, which one is you're actually triggering. And then I can then go into here and I can change the sounds, and I can see, you know, find something that I like. So here's where you get time to experiment. What am I listening for? Ooh. Okay. I'm looking for something that inspires me. And this sounds good. So we're going to go with that. Okay, so we got that. Now let's see what that sounds like with the beat. Yeah, I'll go with that. And again. Okay, that didn't go down too well, so I'm going to keep the first part. Let me just practice that a little bit more. I liked it, but I wanted to do something different, so let me try again. Yeah, so I'll go down to that note there, right? Okay, so here we go. So I'm going to play again. Here we go. Set that up. Hit the record button. Now you can do what you call pre-roll on here, right? We're going to try and deal with that in another video. Let me just get this down. Okay, so we got... Okay, here we go. Okay, here we go. Wait for it to go round again. Okay, so now, have you noticed there, I made some mistakes there. So what I'm going to do now is I can go back in, I could double click it, and I can get rid of the notes I want by just simply highlighting them, getting hold of this one, literally holding the mouse button and just dragging it along. Look, and then I can just fix up the errors. introducing a new tool. This is the draw tool. I can just use that and then highlight it and extend that along. You want to make sure that the pen is over the note that you want to extend, or it will just draw a new note, which is not what you want. All right, so. Okay, so now I'm not quite happy with that string. So I like the sound of it, but what I want to do is where the drums step now, boom, boom, towards the end, I want to do something with that, yeah? I want to be able to make the strings kind of complement that. So yeah, so I want to put that note there, right? That's what I want, right? So we're going to go with that. Record. Right, so now we've got that overlapping it. If you look here, you see the recording has overlapped. So all I've got to do is go like that. This is a new tool. This is glue, and I just click that, and then they join back together. And you can see the note that I just played in there. It's a bit messy, but we're going to clean it up, right? And then we grab that and we extend it, and we don't want the notes overlapping too much or at all in this case, so we're going to just chop the notes off. But look, if you notice, a couple of the notes are out of time, so what do? We hit Control All and hit the quantize. We can set our quantize up to be 16ths or 8ths. In this instance, we're going to make them 8ths. That way they'll go to the nearest 8. We keep hitting that quantize until it goes into place. So here we go, play again. So now you see it went whoa, and then there was a kick drum. So let's try doing two of these. So we're going to hit that, we're going to go boom, and another one there, right? And put that there. Alt, hold down the Alt, copy that over, bring that up. Yeah, boom, boom, yeah. Right, and then there's another foot drum there, just to chunk it up a little piece, boom, and then we want that back to that. All right. Let's loop that from here now. Inside the key, you can change the loop here. Look, watch. All right, let's try bringing that note down to there. And if you look along here, you can see the note that you're actually playing. That does assist you into moving the keys around on here. So let's try bringing that down to there. Copying it over as well. All key. Yeah, so like blah, blah. Nice. So let's hear it from the top. Hear it all the way from the top. Sounding good. Chris. Beautiful, beautiful, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Okay, guys, so I believe that brings us to the end of this next module. That was a little bit of editing there. We're going to do some more editing in the next module. See you then.